Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two AI coding platforms, which is Console AI and Cline. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about Console shine as a ready-to-use AI IDE for developer who wants speed and convenience. It offers smart autocomplete, natural language code editing, and a simple multi-file refactoring, which make it perfect for productivity on large projects. The main drawback is that its resilience on paid cloud ecosystem and less flexibility if you want to bring your own AI model. Talking about Cline by contrast is built for openness and control. Its model agnostics and support for model context protocol, and also allow bring your own model setup, which makes it ideal for enterprise or devs who want full flexibility. The trade-off is that it's less polished than console and may need more manual setup. For plug and play coding help, go with console, and for customization and freedom, Cline is better, and that's it.